When you apply redactions in Redactor, you can choose from 5 styles. Each one works differently, depending on how you want the content to appear. Let's walk through them. Mosaic applies a Voronoi blur effect, breaking details into a tiled pattern. You can adjust the intensity and use either rectangle or ellipse. It's quick to process and effective at hiding sensitive details while keeping the region recognizable. Pixelate replaces details with blocky squares, giving you the classic censored effect you've seen in media. It's fast, simple, and effective for privacy, with adjustable shape and intensity. Blur uses a Gaussian filter to soften and obscure details. It creates a natural blended look that's less distracting. Blur takes longer to process than Mosaic or Pixelate, but many users prefer it for its professional finish. Fill completely covers the object with a solid color block. It's the fastest to process and provides the highest level of privacy. This is ideal for IDs, documents, or areas where you want zero visibility. Outline draws only the boundary around the detected object. The contents remain visible, so it's best for previews or editing, not for protecting private information. Each style has its place. Mosaic, Pixelate, or Fill are strongest for privacy. Blur offers a softer, natural look, and Outline is best for previews. All styles except Outline support both rectangle and ellipse shapes, with low, medium, and high intensity options.